Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add products to your Shopify store. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store, then you have to go into the products. Okay, so as you can see here, we already have a single product, but I will add a new product now. So how can we add the products? It is really simple. You just have to click on add product, and now you have to fill the details in your new product. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is to add the title. To add the title, it must be attractive. So let's just say I want to add gaming laptop, that is Dell. Okay, so that is the title of the product. Okay, so now we have to write down the description of our product. Okay, so the description must be about the product details. It must be about the size of the product. All right, what specs is being used in our laptop. Okay, what is the generation of your laptop, and we can also add, if there is a graphic card, we can also add the detail. So we can add the hardware specification and as well as the software specification and how it can benefit the users. So we can add these kind of things in our description. Okay, but right now I would just simply write down sample here. Okay, so now we have to add the media. So you can add the media from files and also from the URL. So I have to upload the file here. So I will actually look for product. So let's just go here and add a laptop here, because that is the image of our product. All right, so now we have to set the price of our product. Okay, so there are the two options. The first one is the price and the second one is a compare add price. All right, so let's just see what is the compare here price. So in the price, we will actually write down the price of the product and just write down the compare add price. So it will actually be compared with our actual price. All right, so we can add the cost per item. Okay, cost is actually 80,000, so we have the profit of 20,000 and the margin of 20%. Okay, so in the inventory we have an option to track the quantity. So basically you can actually track the number of product in your stock. Okay, if we check on this option, all right, so we also have the option to actually continue selling even if we are out of the stock, and you can also check in on this option if this product has a SKU or barcode. So in the shipping, it is actually asking us, is it a physical product or the digital product? If it is a physical product, then we have to add some kgs or the weight. Okay, so we can have the weight in pounds, oz and kg and the gram. All right, so you can decide. So let's just say my laptop has 2 kg weight. All right, and in the variant you can actually add the variants here of the size, color, material and style. Okay, so I would actually add the size, it would be small. We can also add the second value of medium, and we can also add large as well. Okay, so this is how we can actually add the variant, and we can set the prices of the variant accordingly. And in the end, it is actually showing us the search engine listing, how the search engine will show our product. So we also have the product organization, in which actually you can decide the category of the product, and you can also decide the type of the product, vendor, collection, and you can also add the tags. All right, so now let's just save our product. Okay, and our product is actually created. Alright, so we have created our product and our product is actually active right now. So I would actually preview our product. Alright, so this is how the product page of a gaming laptop looks like that we have created. Okay, alright, so let's just go back to the dashboard and let's go back to the products, and now you will be able to see that we have 2 active products in our store, and in the inventory we don't have any store. Alright, so this is how you can add the product to your Shopify store. Alright, so if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.